something.
I need to get that shrimp out there.
I'll go grab it.
Grab your chair too while you're out there.
Because I was going to go check my jaw jacker.
You got a bell?
Yeah, I put a bell on it.
Yeah, it's alright.
I was going to go drop my scope down it and just see what kind of depth I have it sitting at.
Well, there's plenty of room to come this way with your chair, Larry, if you need to. If you can't get his chair to fit anyway. I'm sure there's plenty of room though, right?
Yeah,
yeah, this tent's a bit bigger, isn't it? Than that.
Yeah, this is the exact tent I've got.
Yeah. Oh, higher up, higher up, higher. Reel up about 17 feet. Oh, he's on me. He's chasing me. He's chasing me. Come on, baby. Hit me. Ah, why? I don't think they're liking my millie. Something here. Let's see if he'll drop back down. Oh, he's coming. He's following us. He stopped. Back up. He disappeared. Oh, he's there still. Come on. I'm gonna have to put a freaking tube jig on, I guess. Orange. Might need that orange on, huh?
Yeah.
He's right on me. He just doesn't want nothing. Oh. Oh, he's coming in again. He's up high right there.
I'll put this right there.
So this little girl goes to her dad. She says, "Dad, my bum hurt."